In this video, you will learn how to check your priority registration date. To begin, you will click on WebReg. You will need to enter your 9-digit student ID and your PIN code, followed by selecting the box that states, "I'm not a robot." Then you may select Log In. Now that you are in your student portal, you will go under the Records section and select Registration Priority. You will then click on the term you're looking to register for. On this page, you will find the day, date, and time of your registration. To receive priority registration, all of the boxes will need to be checked off. If the orientation box is missing a check mark, please return to your student portal and complete your online orientation. If you completed an orientation but the check mark was not applied, please email outreach@mpc.edu. If the educational plan box is missing a check mark, please go back to counseling appointment and schedule an appointment to meet with a counselor.